What is up everyone, Jay Flores here, and for today's episode I'm gonna teach you how to cook some honey garlic soy chicken. So before we start, if cooking is your thing, if you want to learn how to cook, please hit that subscribe button right now and also ring that bell just right beside the subscribe button. So yeah, do it now. And for this recipe, this is similar with my previous upload, I guess a couple of uploads back, the pork teriyaki. We're just gonna tweak it a little, add some honey, remove some acid and whatnot. So yeah, let's do this. Game. that is it for the no, not vlog, for this episode, everyone. I hope you had fun. I hope you will try that at home, and I hope you love my new background. Char, huh? Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that looks better. Why? Ba't ngayon ko lang in-adjust yung camera? Well, anyway, right now I'm having fun because I still can't get over na may ginawa akong professional studio light, which is from a cake pan. So if you like this setup and if you like how the light shines on me, please do watch my other video, which I did a tutorial on how to make this light. Anyway, going back to the food, that was really simple, easy, I guess, for others. For some, it is kind of complicated, but nevertheless, it is really worth it. So find time, especially ngayon, we're still stuck at home in Cebu City. We are. Oh, by the way, if you're from Cebu City and you're watching this, I have some announcement. What you see here in my channel, which I've been cooking for a couple of months now, gladly I will share it to you guys because I'm starting a business. It's gonna be called J Flores Food Tray. So basically my concept is I cook here, fresh ingredients, passionate of my cooking, my home to your home. That simple. Take out, deliveries, you've got it all. God, I'm so full. I just had a burger. Soon, I will advertise it on Facebook and my other social media accounts. So watch out for that, mga Sugbuanon. So yeah, please support. I need your support. Because no work, no pay, man. It sucks, pero mana, side hustle sa taron. And I hope you'll be one of my customers soon. Alright, God bless. Stay safe. Peace.